We came along to Sue's session. The stage of our business and the state that the industry is in, we realised the need for coaching. We do it to our clients, but we don't take it on ourselves. So I think that was the catalyst for coming along.
There's been so much change. I think we get sidetracked by all the things that are happening outside that we can't control, and it turns our brains to mush often. So it's good to just have a path that gives us a clear direction to work towards.
Yeah, nice.
We'd also recently changed licensees, so came from an institutional licensee to another one which has a different way of operating, so we felt it was a good time.
I'm excited. It's great to finally be able to see some of the costs that we probably didn't take into account. Not just having a stab in the dark, they're real costs, they really impact us. We've got to take it into account. I'm excited for the next stage.
Yeah, to clarify that, the understanding the cost of doing business, understanding the cost of providing the different forms of advice is very important. We've gone along for years, been fortunate to, at the end of the year, to still have some money, but now going forward we need to be more scientific about it. We've gathered that information, we've got all the tools we need. It's just let the rubber hit the road.
Just do it. Just do yourself a favour. Put the time aside. Take the time out. Sit down, focus. Just do it.
Yeah, absolutely. It came at the right time. Yes, if we'd done it a couple of years ago, our business would look completely different. But as they say, the best time was 2 years ago. The second best time is today, tomorrow, whenever.
Thanks, Sue.